which is a very unique one.
KHASI Meghalaya kepada program Jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya kan Rakhe Jingsdap Snem kan thi mendaksni. Ke skim kebaai kerteng ke youth engagement through empowered youth organizations. Yes, ya kebal pelat pajba au benai nai tung Jong Snem arhajar arpuar kalala ban traibor ba pring kiseng samla. Hakani ke Snem balala ke Sorkar kalala ban sam 6.9 crore tengka sepalat khalai spa tali kiseng samla. Habakran hakan ke sengi Rakhe Menteri Rangba ukon rat ke sang mau long ulaang bakabor jong kisamla dan kamban penyat bej aki leng bakayas Meghalaya ke ailat iki samla bakin be ya ke jing terang jongki ukon rat ulapli paj baru ya ke mai hiru campaign bat ulapad pelat paj ba ya ki kendon balapan thmai biang na kementak KHASI Meghalaya leng ba ke mai hiru campaign ke Sorkar kan itu ikiri pakmat ke jela bat ban aimen sim iki samla.
You would be able to see that yes, Meghalaya program would then even be more successful. Then the youths will be able to really, use this fund to be able to have training programs, have their own tournaments, buy materials for their groups, so on and so forth. And I'm happy that now the Yes Meghalaya program is even more broader. If you remember, we had started entrepreneurship and giving, the Entrepreneur of the Month, where we felt that if you recognize people who are doing good in our society, not only does it motivate the person who's doing it, but it also motivates others to be like that person.
Menteri Badai Kemi